Welcome back to another episode of On the Couch with Han and Shuks.
We are taking on the Try Not to Laugh challenge with water?
With water in our mouths. Big mouth. Is that a mouthful?
Mm-hmm.
Show me.
Hello, welcome to my talk show.
Get him, Riley. Oh, that was a good one.
Just do it.
Oh! Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
All right, so I didn't have as much. All right.
As much water.
Yeah.
I said big mouth. Yeah. We're gonna do round 2, guys. We're gonna get Shuks to get a big gulp of water. Like this, I'm gonna demonstrate.
What is this?
Don't do that. This is my cold water challenge. So.
You okay? Went down the wrong hole?
So.
Alright, guys. So, SHUKRIA over here just we almost lost her. Almost. But she's here, she's alive.
Oh, look at
She's
that.
breathing.
That is not a game to play.
It's called Try Not to Laugh Challenge.
Yeah, more like trying to choke.
Try Not to Die Challenge. How you feeling? Okay, so tell us about your experience. What happened over here?
That cat wearing the costume. The green.
So if you didn't make it, it would have been the cat. St. Patrick's Day cat. I think that's what it was.
Thank you for watching, and you won that one.
Hey, it's a hard life, huh?
Han won that one.
Mission and Nahukum.
Anyways, we will see you in
Our next challenge. Stay tuned. Peace and much love to you.
Here's the cat.
Oh, it's a T-Rex. Oh. That cat was drunk. Alright, see you guys.